Okay, so I have my homemade solar wax melter here, and all this is I think that's a 1x6 cut down to the dimensions of a concrete mixing tub, and a piece of plexiglass cut to fit on top. We got a couple of screws down here as kind of a stop for the plexiglass. Bungee cord going across. A little tin baking dish that you get from any store. Little Tupperware, whatever you'd call it. I'm not sure. I think maybe lunch meat or something might have came in that. That's pretty much it. I had a thermometer in here when I first built it yesterday, and it got up to I think 180 in there, which from what I've looked up, 145 is when wax starts to melt. So it gets plenty hot enough, and here's the first batch of wax. We'll see what happens out of it. It's not very much, just some little bit of burr comb, just to kind of test it out here, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes now, and you see that it's working pretty well. And it's even partly cloudy today, so it's just getting little spurts of direct sun, but looks like it's plenty enough to heat it up. You can see some wax dripping down there. Won't focus in on it, of course, but you can see it down there. So yeah, working all right. All in all, I think I already had the 1x6, but completely all of it probably wouldn't cost no more than $30 to build. And I'd be really surprised if it cost any more than that. The tub, I think, was $6. The plexiglass was $16. But if you just find an old, like a large picture frame, like at a junk store or something, and just take the glass out of it, and that would work just fine. Plexiglass is probably a little bit less likely to crack and break on you, though, so it might be a better bet. But yeah, you could just totally scrounge up materials. You can make this out of plywood and just paint it black. Might not even need to do that. It seems like it's getting plenty hot. But yeah, easy enough to make, and you get some nice clean wax out the end. So not a bad thing to build.